DeVos Place is once again a hub of activity, but for a very different reason. Known for everything from symphony concerts to car shows, the venue's being pressed into service to battle COVID-19.
Starting Monday, several Kent County health organizations will launch a large-scale COVID vaccination clinic inside the convention center. Now all they need is the vaccine. News 8's Joe LaFurgey takes us inside.
Well, DeVos Place pretty much dormant since last March, but as you can see today, a lot of activity here, setting up for that large-scale vaccination clinic set to open Monday.
By pooling our resources, by pooling our expertise, we can do this a lot better for the community.
The Kent County Health Department, Spectrum, and Mercy Health Systems and Vaccinate West Michigan teaming up to get shots in arms. Organizers hope to eventually administer 20,000 shots a day.
The key is going to be receipt of vaccines so we can actually administer them.
Which right now is well below that goal. The clinic will have enough supply to do about 1,000 shots a day next week. But what about the supply chain? Can they even promise 1,000 doses a day beyond next week? While there may not be as much vaccine as they'd like, officials say the supply chain has been consistent.
That has not been an issue. However, there is always that concern. And so at this time, we're asking for patience. As we said, we're ready. So that when that time comes and when we can see a more consistent and larger supply, we will be ready to meet the needs of our community.
None of the current vaccine clinics will close. The convention center, chosen as a site because of its centralized location and layout that can handle large crowds and social distancing requirements, adds another option. Sign up is online or by phone. As of now, only those 65 and older, along with certain essential workers outlined by the current phase, will be eligible. Vaccinations will be by appointment only. No walk-ins will be allowed. With the current vaccine supply limiting full-scale use of the facility, organizers say it'll provide a chance to work out any kinks in the system. They'll start small and ramp up as more vaccine becomes available. Mercy Health's president says that approach may actually help the effort in the long run.
The better job you're doing of getting vaccine into people in your community, the more receptive the state is to providing more to your organization.
We have all the information you need to sign up for the clinic at woodtv.com. In Grand Rapids, Joe LaFurgey, News 8.